Brace yourself for this eye-opener. Businesses without photos on their Google business profile get a staggering 35% fewer clicks. Having a visual presence on Google isn't just a trend, it's a crucial strategy for boosting your local business's online performance. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a question every business owner should ponder. Why do you get fewer clicks without photos on Google Business? Let's dive in and uncover the game-changing power of visuals. In 2023, 4.5 billion people surfed trillions of web pages and billions of terabytes of data on the internet. In that environment, your business needs to be more than just present online. You have to create a lasting impression. And one of your most powerful tools is the photos on your Google Business profile. Google Business photos aren't just check marks, they're the visual story of your business. According to Bright Local, a whopping 84% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Now imagine having the ability to visually connect with your audience, showcasing your products, services, and the essence of your business. That builds trust. Did you know that businesses flaunting their photos on Google Business receive a jaw-dropping 42% more requests for directions? Yeah, photos don't just make you look good, they guide customers right to your doorstep. But it's not just about tossing in any old photo. It's about creating a high-quality, eye-catching visual that not only boosts your SEO ranking, but also gives potential customers a sneak peek into the magic of your business. So how do you ensure your visual content stands out online? Optimization is the key. I mentioned earlier that businesses that have mastered Google Business Photos have seen a remarkable 35% increase in website traffic. According to other recent surveys, businesses that embrace high-quality images capture the attention of 82% of consumers. It's not rocket science. High-resolution, well-lit photos with a sprinkle of relevant keywords and captions can catapult your visibility. So invest time in creating visuals that pop and authentically represent your brand. Remember, it's not just about being seen, it's about leaving a lasting impression. Let's talk about that magic word, visibility. Google Business profiles with photos are twice as likely to grace the first page of search results. Listen, attention spans are shorter than ever. Those visuals are your golden ticket to web traffic. Now let's talk about the heart of the matter, connecting with your audience. Businesses with photos on their Google Business profile are twice as likely to be seen as reputable. It's not just about products and services, it's about sharing glimpses behind the curtain. Your team, your workspace, and the stories that make your business unique. Google Business profiles with photos are 53% more likely to generate leads. It's not just about visibility, it's about engagement. Focus on high quality, optimize with keywords, and consider diving into the world of videos and 360-degree images for that extra wow factor. That's the lowdown on why you get fewer clicks without photos on Google Business. It's not just about being present, it's about making a visual impact. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this valuable insight, and subscribe for more local marketing wisdom. If you need more help optimizing your Google Business profile, check out this video. My name is Judd, and I'll see you next time on Local Marketing Insights with Local Lead.